So even if it goes over 1/4, then that's what you write down. That's part of your data.
Thank you for coming out here to Fairdale Elementary this morning. We're here today because we want to celebrate the gift that HDR was very generous in offering us in conjunction with MSD. HDR was very generous in giving us a $25,000 grant in which we used it to purchase hydroponic tents. We are building some stuff out back in our raised bed garden. We use some stuff here in our greenhouses. We're working with our children to help them to understand water conservation, where water use is coming from, how it's used. And in conjunction with our greenhouses and our gardening, it's a big project. It's great.
I think it's really good looking at a cycle of how plants grow, just like how animals grow. They all grow different ways.
We're proud to inspire the next generation of engineers. Early exposure to STEM careers is so important at this age, and in partnership with MSD's Community Benefits Program, we can continue to address opportunity gaps in our community.
Our program to date has received more than $1.7 million to our community, $450,000 going to our JCPS schools. So we are excited about the program. We know that when we all lift, our community benefits.
The contributions of HDR and the Community Benefits Program are having such an immediate and powerful impact to schools and nonprofits across Jefferson County. Students are getting to explore careers as engineers, architects, and other STEM careers. Students will be able to collaborate with their friends and cooperate with their classmates to investigate the answers to these questions and seek other ways to look at their environment and think about their world.
I think it's just really good because some people want to be different things. Some people want to be like artists, some people want to be gardeners, and I think that helps out with like having experience with everything.